Hello, Tacknives enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about the third knife in the TK Pro line, the Vigor. Getting right into it, the handle length is 4.02 inches. The handle is made of 6061-T6 aluminum alloy. Comes with a lot of great texture on both sides. Made for great grip. Also, if we zoom into the red side, you can see a little bit of texture there. And the reason I really like this is because the more you use this knife, if you use it consistently the same way, it's almost going to kind of form to your hand in a sense. Moving on, let's talk about the blade. It is made of Sandvic 12C27. Blade hardness is 58 to 59. Blade length is 3.46 inches, which makes the overall length of this knife 7.48 inches, weighing in at 2.9 ounces. Personal choice here, but I really like that the knife isn't polished. You can see all the lines in the blade. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this knife apart. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take this knife apart for when you need to clean it and maintenance this knife. And I know this is a weird angle, but I'm just trying to show you how easy it is to take this knife apart. Now, I didn't mention this before, but the clip is made of titanium and the push button material is aluminum alloy. This is made with very good material. This knife is crafted for long-term use. So let's dive deep here into the inside of the knife. Let's look at this knife naked, all right? Right here, we're checking out the plate and the spring. Show you the inside of the other part of the handle. It's just a really well-made knife. Diving in a little bit deeper, I'm going to go ahead and show you the plate and the spring. Hello, get it in frame. There we go. In frame and in focus. That helps. So here's the plate and the spring. And I'm going to tip it here to show you that the blade isn't going to fall out. That's for two reasons. One, because the pivots are in a lock position, and also because that pin is in place. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that pin, but the blade still isn't going to come out until I take those pivots and I put them in the unlock position, and I can slide the blade right out of the handle. And I'm going to try to zoom in and show you these lines that are in the inside. This tells me that this knife is machined and it's not cast. And to me, that says that it's a higher quality knife, just by the way it's made. Taking a closer look at the blade now that it's out of the handle, definitely keep a lookout on our TK posts if you want to learn more about Sandvic 12C27. We have a blog post coming out soon about that. I want to go ahead and show you the pivot motion here when you're putting the blade back in. This is how it works when you're using the knife as well. Just giving you a little inside view there. I went ahead and put the knife back together, but this is the TK Pro Vigor. All right, it is available for $169.95. If you need to add this to your collection, head to www.tacknives.com. It has a 5-star rating with limited stock, so you're definitely not going to want to wait on this. Check out our other videos listed below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.